Corporate communication moves at a relentless pace. Between meeting invites, project updates, and vendor invoices, the goal is often just to clear the queue, leading many of us to handle routine emails on autopilot. A targeted phishing attempt exploits this rhythm. It arrives disguised as a legitimate request from a trusted source, often marked with an urgent subject line to demand your immediate attention. These messages are designed to bypass critical thinking. By using triggers like authority or the threat of a missed payment, attackers aim to provoke a fast, emotional reaction before you have a chance to look closer. Success for a phisher doesn't require technical exploits or cracking passwords. It only requires a momentary lapse in judgment from someone trying to be helpful or efficient. When an email looks suspicious, the natural response is to delete it immediately. It feels like the safest way to remove the threat from your workspace. Others might forward the message to a manager or a coworker, hoping for a second opinion to verify if the request is real. Both actions are counterproductive. Deleting the email destroys the only evidence IT has to track the attacker, while forwarding the message helps the threat spread further inside the company's network. To protect the organization, the goal must shift. Don't try to investigate the message or clean up the inbox. Instead, freeze your digital environment. A suspicious email is an active, uncontaminated digital crime scene. Securing the perimeter requires strict protocol. Do not click, open, reply, or forward. An email breaks down into distinct structural blocks. The header and sender address reveal the attack's origin and deception tactics. Meanwhile, embedded links and unexpected attachments hold the actual malware, designed to harvest your login credentials. Keeping these components exactly as they arrived provides IT with a complete blueprint of the attempted breach. If a user deletes the email, the IT department is left without data. They remain blind to the attack, leaving every other employee in the company vulnerable to the same message. Forwarding the email creates more risk, using a trusted internal account to bypass filters and infect others. However, preserving the evidence allows IT to hunt down identical messages and neutralize the threat company-wide. A single preserved email allows the security team to move from reacting to damage to establishing a proactive defense for the entire network. Once the email is identified as suspicious, your role is to hand it over to the experts using your organization's approved channel, such as the Report Phishing button or the IT help desk. This is a formal handoff. The moment the report is submitted, the responsibility for the threat moves entirely to the security team. This report triggers immediate action. Security isolates the sender, blocks the domain, and scrubs identical messages from all other employee inboxes. By providing this data, you allow the security team to prevent a single message from becoming a company-wide incident. Stopping a major cyber attack does not require you to be a technical expert or digital investigator. It requires the restraint to pause and the strategic choice to do nothing other than report what you found. Treat every suspicious email as evidence. Do not delete it. Do not click it. Your restraint and quick reporting is the most critical defense an organization has.